Good morning, preschool. Okay, so today we're going to start out with a little bit of our cross lateral pattern movements. You know how we do this every morning to greet each other? We're just going to start it off that way this morning, so that way we can all feel welcome. Okay, let's begin. Hand, hand. Saul is here today. Saul is here today. Yay, Saul. Okay, remember that's how we sing our song. We have to keep the pattern, keep the beat. So that way we are crossing our arms over our body. So that way we are know where we're at. Okay, let's try again. Right, left, right, left. Owen is here today. Owen is here today. Yay, Owen. Awesome. Okay, good job. So at this point, we would continue going around so every single one of our students is greeted. So now that we've finished greeting all of our students in our class, we're going to move on. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but Miss Salentini has a friend with her today. Now, don't get too loud. Don't get too excited. My friend is very shy. Have you met my friend before? Oh, you have? It's a bear. Perfect. So this is Mr. Cuddles. Say hello. Hello. Mr. Cuddles is very excited to see you. So excited because Mr. Cuddles has a secret box. Do you see his secret box? I see the secret box. I know. This box is exciting. In Mr. Cuddles' secret box, we have these secrets. Would you like to see them? Oh, me too. Perfect. Okay. Mr. Cuddles, can you show us what's in your box? Why, of course. In my box, I have. Ooh, can I pick this one? Yes, yes, you can. Miss Valentini, what is this? Well, Mr. Cuddles, this is our seed bags. Friends, have you seen these before? Yeah, I know. They sit on the back of our seats. Do you notice anything about this? Oh, yeah. It's got two colors on there that we've talked about. It's got gray and white. Good job. Oh, and it looks like my shirt. Yeah, good job, Amy. Yeah, it kind of matches my shirt. Should we see what else Mr. Cuddles has in our box? Oh, I am so excited. Oh, look. Yes, I see what you have there. Go ahead. He has a bunch of pencils. Pencils? Do you know what pencils are, preschoolers? Of course you do, yeah. Pencils are what we use to write. Are you using them for writing today, Mr. Cuddles? Mm-mm, not today. Oh, something different. I guess we'll have to wait and see what he has in store for us. Can we see what else is in your box? Oh, I like that choice. Yes. I know, I know. It's a tub. Mr. Cuddles, you brought us a tub. A tub with snap cubes? We've seen snap cubes though. I don't know if we really want them. Oh, you want them? I'm sorry. Okay. So, Mr. Cuddles, why have you brought us all of these weird things? You're going to show us all about patterns? Preschoolers, have you learned about patterns before? Patterns are things that go over and over again, like what we did with our hands when we do our morning meeting and we sing our song. We create a pattern with our hands over, across, over, across. Good job. Yeah. So we are going to learn about patterns today, and Mr. Cuddly has brought us all these different patterns. Would you like to work on them together? Yeah? Okay, let's start in on that. So as you notice, preschoolers, we have our CFAX, and on our CFAX, we have patterns. Look, there is white and gray, and then what's after the white and gray? Oh, white and gray again. Yeah, you're right. So that makes a pattern. So we keep saying white and gray, white and gray. Yeah, isn't that pretty cool? And now you see that Miss Salentini has all of these pencils. And now are they the same color? No, they're not the same color. So these are different colors. So we're gonna make a pattern. What do you think we should start with, Gavin? Oh, we should start with the orange one. Thank you. Yeah, so we'll put the orange one first. If I want to make a pattern, we have to pick something different, or you could pick the same and then we'll make a pattern. What would you like to pick, Lucy? Oh, you would like to pick the black one? Okay, perfect. So now that we have our first two colors, Miss Salentini is going to make a pattern. You just watch. I'm going to lay an orange one and then a black one. Now, can anyone tell me what do you think maybe comes next? Hmm. Oh, thank you for raising your hand. Good job. I can tell you've been working on this since the beginning of school. Yes, we're going to put an orange one down and then a black one. See how we created a pattern? Is it always with colors? No, sometimes we can use other things. You're right. Yeah. So we created with a pattern of pencils. Good job. Now, I know you're all excited because you see that I have lots of snap cubes beside me. So what we're going to do is Miss Valentini is going to make a pattern with her cubes in her bowl. And after I do it, then we're going to do it together as a class, and then you get to try it on your own. Okay, are you ready? Awesome. So I'm going to pick our green one, and we're going to make an A-B pattern. Yeah, your app pattern. Can you say that? Perfect, thank you. So we're gonna make A, B patterns. So look, I start with what color? Green, yep. And then, no, not pink. Nice try. This is orange, yep. Green, orange, green, orange. Perfect. So I made a pattern of green, orange. And I know you're so excited. So I have some for each group of friends. So everyone's going to share. So you will share with your partner right next to you. And then I have some for the rest of our friends. There's some for you and for you. And we have some for you over here. So now all of our friends have someone to share with, and we have just enough for everyone that we don't need to work together all that much, but we're going to start off working together and then we'll get to try it on our own. Perfect. So can you all grab a green one? Nice. Green. And then what did I say we were making next? If you can't remember, look down in front of Miss Salentini. It's where my pattern is. Yep. So green, and then good job, Anna. I see you got the orange. Green, orange, green, orange. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Can you put your snap cubes in front so I can see them? And then depending on how we're doing, I'll come and check. Remember, if you've got it, make sure you check your friends. Be kind and use your manners when you check theirs, though. You don't want to be too mean. Good job. Okay, Gavin, I see that you have two greens and an orange together. We're just going to see and look at that. So if my friend Gavin has two greens and an orange, do you think that's a pattern, preschoolers? Some do and some don't. You are right. So you can make different kinds of patterns, which we'll get into later. So Gavin, can you switch it so we do the pattern we're working on right now, which is AB? Yeah. So green, orange, green. Nice job. Good fix. I love how you were able to fix yourself. That was really nice. Okay. Now that we worked on this together, I want you to break up your snap cubes and put them back. I know this is kind of hard, but it really works our fingers and it's good for us. Now that they're all broken up and we have worked on it watching Miss Salentini, and then you did it. Now I want, we did it together as a group. Now I want you to try it on your own. Can you do that? Okay, as you're working, Miss Salentini is going to come around and check to help you, and then you can tell me or show me what your pattern looks like. I'm so excited to see what you're doing. Go ahead. It would be at this time that I would go around and I would check with individual students, kind of see how they're doing, work through any misconceptions that they are having, and then we would gather back again at the end. I would conclude that we have just learned about patterns and we're going to spend the whole day learning about them or trying to find them within our classroom. And then we would start our regular day. So thank you so much for joining in our morning meeting, and I can't wait to talk to you all again.